Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the topic related to the career. I have seen lot of the youths especially in the college or the youths who are doing graduation or are in the postgraduate study. They are confused about their career, that which career they should choose after graduation or after the PG. So I thought that why not to make a video based upon their career option or career selection. And this video will deal with the topic that is entrepreneurship is good or doing job is good, and what is the difference between both the sector, which one is most of the promising sector, and which will have the sector which have the power to provide the better career option as well as life security. So starting first of all with the entrepreneurship, because nowadays the fashion is of doing entrepreneurship and lots youths are attracting towards the entrepreneurship. So what is positivity of the entrepreneurship? So first of all, the thing that is important, that if you are passionate, then nothing will stop you from doing entrepreneurship or becoming a good entrepreneur. But entrepreneurship has some of the demand, some of the need of the hour, that is you must have some backup with yourself, some financial backup you should have. Next, a team of good person who is better enough to suggest you in the time of need. So this an idea not only to start the entrepreneurship, idea related to the running of entrepreneurship, and in between the whole process or in between establishing of that business or establishing of that organization. So idea is very much important. So first important criteria for the entrepreneurship, that is you should have passion for it, you should have idea for it, you should have a good team with for it, and you should have also some financial backup for it. So this was some of the criteria for the entrepreneurship. Then you can take the risk to do an entrepreneurship. But of course, whenever you will start the entrepreneurship, then a sky is the limit. A sky is the limit means you will decide how much work, how much time you will expend or you will give to that job or to that preference which you have chosen. Also, at the end of the month, you need not to have worry about the sum of the money. You are the whole and soul whose labor and whose effort will make to earn that much amount of the money for which you are desirable. Means there is no end of earning money. And if you believe in passion and you doesn't believe in calculation, then entrepreneurship is one of the good sector. But again, let me tell you, entrepreneurship is a good career. There are some of the risk that is involved in it, that in the starting age or starting phase, you will be struggling for the financial ground or on the basis of financial ground or on the basis of support from other people. So there is some shortage, there is some drawbacks in the starting phase related to the entrepreneurship. Now moving to the job field. Job field is also very promising, but if you believe in the calculation that at the end of the month, if you want that certain amount of the money should be in your account, then job is one of the best field for you. Job also provides security for you, security of living standard, security of working hour, security of medical allowances, security of housing also, and security to your family member also. Means if you are at job, then you need not to have worry about success and failure of the company or organization. Other people or other person are also there. You will already get the team of experienced and of eligible person there. So you need not to have worry too much about the job. Job is a stable career, a career which will also make you to grow after certain period of the time. But of course, the magic will not happen in the job. job always demands an experience, and after a certain set of experience, after a certain set of time, you will get promotion or you will get hike. But if you want that the salary and the money at the end of the month will be decided by you only, then entrepreneurship is very good career, very better career, and one of the best career. So if you are confused between entrepreneurship and the job, then there is no any, you can say that, risk about choosing entrepreneurship or job. For example, if you have chosen the job and you feel that you can do better in the entrepreneurship field, then you can switch it over. You can shift your pattern, you can shift to the entrepreneurship. Again, if you have started entrepreneurship and in between 1 or 2 years you thought that you are not doing good at the entrepreneurship, then again you can switch it to the job. So at least both the possibility is there with you. So there is no any reason to panic for, or there is no reason that you should not take any chance or you should not take any risk at this place. So you can take the risk, or you can select the field as you want. For example, if you want to be a good entrepreneur, you can choose it. You can be a good job doer, then you can also choose the job. So this was all about between the both of the field, and I hope that this point will help you out to choose the career between entrepreneurship or between the job. So that was all about today's subject, today's topic. I hope you have enjoyed it. Bye bye, take care. We'll meet you again in the next video. Thank you.